Okay, you can do you gotta do the intro now. Remember what you're supposed to say.
My name is Arm Hammer.
Arm and Hammer.
I live in the Hammer Tree.
Do the eyebrow thing.
What?
You got it. Let me see. Holy smoke.
I'm gonna
Scratch? Last night?
Yeah.
What happened? That sucks, dude. What happened?
I don't know. She's going.
She's like a cat.
Yeah. Meow.
It would have been cooler if she was a mermaid.
I got it.
You like the mermaids, eh? You're all about the mermaids.
Having a mermaid for your wife?
You want a mermaid for a wife?
No, man, you having one?
Oh my god, you could go to the bottom of the sea?
Yeah.
Have some privacy? You smell kind of fishy, though.
Yeah. You'd like it.